The next topic we are going to talk about is electron configuration. So electron configuration is essentially the same thing as orbital diagrams. It tells us exactly how many electrons we have in each sublevel and each energy level and where they are, except electron configuration, instead of using arrows, we use numbers. So when you do your electron configuration, your first step is to write the sublevel, and then you write the number of electrons in that sublevel. So for silicon, the element that we have been working with, I'm going to show you how to get from an orbital diagram to electron configuration. And so our first step is to write the sublevel. And like our orbital diagram, we start from the bottom and then we work our way up. So we're going to write 1s because 1s is where it starts. And then we're going to write how many electrons are in that orbital. And so because there are two arrows in the 1s, we're going to write 2 as an exponent. Our next one is 2s. So after 2s, you have to write how many electrons are in that orbital. And there's 2, so you're going to write 2. Our next one is 2p, so you write the sublevel. And then you write how many electrons are in that sublevel. So there are 6 total in p because there's 6 arrows. So you're going to write 6 as an exponent. And then you go up to 3s next. 3s has 2 electrons in it, so you're going to write a 2 as an exponent. And then lastly, you're going to head to your 3p. So you write your sublevel, 3p, and then how many electrons are in there. And so because there's only 2 arrows in 3p, you are just going to write 2. So writing electron configuration from an orbital diagram, again, is pretty simple. You just write the sublevel. So your 1s, your 2s, your 2p, your 3s, your 3p. And then you write how many electrons are in each orbital. And your electrons are your arrows.